Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical crypto tutorial. How to withdraw USDC from Bitrue to Bitmart in 2025. If you're navigating the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, this step-by-step guide will make things straightforward and secure. USDC is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for transfers between exchanges like Bitrue and Bitmart. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitrue account. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication for added security. It's a must in 2025 with all the advancements in crypto tech. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section and find your USDC balance. Double-check that you're using the correct network. USDC on Bitrue is typically on the Ethereum blockchain via ERC20, so note that down. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option. You'll see a form pop up asking for the asset. You'll select USDC from the dropdown. Now, the crucial part. Enter the recipient address. This should be your Bitmart deposit address for USDC. To get that, quickly log into your Bitmart account in another tab, go to the Deposit section, select USDC, and copy the address provided. Paste it carefully into the Bitrue withdrawal form to avoid any errors. Before you hit confirm, review the details: amount to withdraw, network type, and any fees involved. In 2025, transaction fees might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but always aim to withdraw at least the minimum required to cover fees. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the withdrawal, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Bitmart and check your deposit history to confirm when the USDC arrives. Pro tip: use a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track your transaction in real time for peace of mind. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Bitrue to Bitmart in 2025. Always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.